Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy DIY. I literally came across to this pumpkins on Pinterest and I was like, I could totally do that with my fence pickets that I have left over. So I went ahead and took the shot and I love the result. So if you want to go ahead and see how everything turned out, make sure you stick around. So we're gonna go ahead and start with fence pickets. I literally have this fence pickets from my previous fence. There were really nothing wrong with them, so I decided to keep a few of them. And I've done a lot of projects with them, guys. They did came in handy. So today I'll be showing you how to do those pumpkins. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and start by measuring the pickets. Now I did want it a small pumpkin and a bigger pumpkin, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure one to be 10 inches, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mark the line in the middle, and I'm gonna get my rafter square and make that straight line so I can go ahead and take him to cut. You are gonna need 3 pickets that are gonna be 10 inches tall for that pumpkin. Once I went ahead and cut the 10-inch pumpkins, as you can see, I already finished it here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 15-inch. This is basically the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it and then make the straight line and then go cut it. Here, this one's gonna be a little bit different than the other one because this one's gonna be a little bit taller, so I want it a little bit wider. So here on the 2 pickets that are going to be in the bottom, I'm going to measure it on the center 2 inches apart. Once you have those 2 inches marked already, you're going to go ahead and bring the middle pumpkin that's going to go on top and put it right in the center in between both of those pickets. Then all I'm going to go ahead and take is my ruler and measure it from top to bottom, so I can go ahead and cut the corner lines. And all I did, guys, basically was just measured it 3 inches from bottom to top and mark a little line once you go ahead and hit your 3 inches. And then the same from the top, you're gonna go ahead and go 1, 2, 3 from the top to bottom and make the little line there. In case you're doing this DIY, in my case, I should have done it, but I didn't do it until right now that I'm watching the video. You know how you have the middle, the top middle picket on top of the other ones? Just get the corners. As you can see, the corner right here on the upper left corner, and make a little line. And then you're gonna connect those 2 little lines and make your line. I should have done that, but I didn't think of it. I was trying so hard not to move the center picket so I can have those measurements. But there you go. I just literally told you the easiest way to do it. Once I had those 2 pumpkins, I went ahead and cut it. And I didn't need to go ahead and measure the other side since I was just going to flip the first picket and then just do the lines like that because it's going to be way easier for you. So that's basically all that I did. I I am gonna actually leave it like that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna nail it or screw it with a screw or glue it. I need to go ahead and check my options to see which one is the best for me, but whatever you like to do, you go ahead and do. Now I did totally forgot to cut the bigger pumpkin, the middle picket. I did totally forgot to cut the edges, so the next day I had to go ahead and go cut it. You just have to make sure you cut the corners just so it can give it a little bit more detail and it look much nicer. But I really love how the results turned out to be, guys. And the next thing that I'll be doing is just going ahead and grabbing myself some of this stems that I've cut from a previous project. And I'm not sure if I've already put the DIY, but there's more pumpkins that I'm gonna be doing, or if I probably haven't yet, you'll have to wait for that DIY to come. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I really love how it's gonna look once I put everything together. I really do hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.